I've been gone for quite a while, but we have been moving, and so I'm now in the new place. I know it doesn't look like much, but we have a new couch, came with the place, so here we are. But I just wanted to film this quick video because I did some online shopping, because I'm having trouble with my hair, the way it's fading out. As you can see here, it's got some real terrible fade lines. It's going like green, brown. I don't even know. I just know that it's awful. So I went on to Sally's Beauty UK and I bought some stuff and it's just come. So I thought we would go through it together. My goodness. Alright. Nope. So what I bought was some 30 vol cream developer, and this is the Agora Royal Oil Developer, which is 9% or 30 vol. I also bought a 20 vol developer, but I just bought this at the Sally's brand, just for like toners and stuff. I then bought the Agora bleach, and that's why I bought the 30 vol, because I thought it would be better to use the two products of the same brand together, and it would be a better way to mix. And this is the Agora Varia Blonde Plus, which is up to 7 levels of lift with anti-yellow effect, blue dust-free lightening powder, fiber bond technology inside. And then to make up the rest of my free shipping, I got a rat tail comb, I got a reconstructor treatment mask, and I got a color prepare mask. And this is a Malibu color prepare. So it preps your hair for color success, ensures better color coverage, extends vibrancy, less fading. It says shampoo, rinse and pour crystals across wet palm, rub hands together and water to dissolve crystals, apply and scrunch through hair, allow to remain on for 5 minutes, shampoo and rinse thoroughly, conditioner is not recommended, follow with the color, should be processed within 24 hours. There we go. And then this one was the reconstructor treatment. Whoop. It was just on sale. And then to go with these products, I also bought from Sally's this Rusk Eliminate color corrector, and this is for oxidative hair dye, which is what I have on my hair at the moment, which is the black box dye. And I brought a brush, and then all of the hair dyeing bowls are really expensive over here, and so I was in Poundland the other day and I found this baby, or maybe it was Savers, but I found this baby bowl and it has the like silicone at the bottom, so I'm going to use that as my hair dye mixer. And then I bought from Poundland, I bought the color toner from Be Blonde, Jerome Russell, and this one is the silver toner. And then I also bought some purple shampoo just to help me bring through to the blonde. Yeah, so that will take us through into my next hair activities that will be coming up later this week. I'm going to change my hair before my next job. Alright, so keep an eye out for those videos and I will see you then. Bye!